This video is sponsored by Policy Genius. If you have anyone relying on your income, you need life insurance. It's that simple. Policy Genius is your one-stop shop to find and buy the insurance you need at the right price. If you have a family, you know how much your loved ones depend on you. In a worst-case scenario, you wouldn't want them to worry about money. A good life insurance plan can give you peace of mind that if something happens to you, your family will have a safety net to cover mortgage payments, college costs, or other expenses so they can get back on their feet and focus on what's most important. Policy Genius was built to modernize the life insurance industry. Their technology makes it easy to compare life insurance quotes from America's top insurers in just a few clicks to find your lowest price. With Policy Genius, you can find life insurance policies that start at just $25 per month for $1 million of coverage. Some options offer coverage in as little as a week and avoid unnecessary medical exams. Their licensed agents works for you, not the insurance companies. That means they don't have an incentive to recommend one insurer over another, so you can trust their guidance. There are no added fees and your personal details are private. No wonder why they have thousands of 5-star reviews on Google and Trustpilot. Your loved ones deserve a safety net. You deserve a smarter way to find and buy it. Head to policygenius.com/Chris Sane or click the link in the description to get your free life insurance quote and see how much you can save. What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got hit with the OOWOP on today. I want to talk all about it. Matter of fact, I want to take you through the day it was. CPI came out pretty hot, and by all accounts, the market brought the volatility both to the upside as well as to the downside, and we need to talk all about it, okay? So keep it locked, guys. I got a jam-packed video for you, full of value as always. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with a quick recap of yesterday's video where I talked and try to show you guys firsthand what to look out for in terms of expected moves for the SPY with CPI for today, okay? And check it out, guys. I'm gonna blow it up, and I want you to do me a favor. Please go look right now at where SPY is currently at, where we closed at, and the level I have circled here 24 hours in advance, illustrating for you ways that you can kind of begin to map out and chart out how these stocks will behave and fluctuate, okay, based off of moves and volatility, okay? Today, guys, we had the CPI come out, as you all know, and again, it took the market up initially, and that's why I always say, always watch out for that first move, okay? Watch out for that first move, because really, that first move is just the beginning of something of a rug pull, in most cases, that they got planned for you, okay? Then all of a sudden we came all the way down to 408. If you was in Discord, shout out to those in Discord that did their thing, that took advantage of this guidance that I give each and every day and did their thing with this, okay? But then, guys, the latter part of the day, around 2 o'clock, the Fed minutes came out, and that was the ultimate rug pull that sent us down to what level? 407.46. Exactly what I circled yesterday, and exactly within cents, I would say, of where it closed at on today, okay? Or where you might see it at as a low of day, or where we may be sitting at it after hours, okay? But again, guys, learn to take advantage of these ranges and these levels that I'm calling out, that I'm teaching about every single day, okay? That's what you can do, and the more you trust the process, the more you will see with patience these things typically come to pass. All right, now, guys, momentarily I'm going to bring out the charts, because I want to kind of map out what to expect for tomorrow and what I want you guys to anticipate the rest of the week, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. We closed today at around 408, a level that I talked about in Discord this morning would be the low on the low end. And look at this right here, 407.38, okay? Listen, guys, we were hit with a crazy day on today. Check this out. We gapped up. We closed here yesterday. We gapped up, okay? Anytime there's a gap, look for it to try to be filled. Look at how slick they did it, guys. Boom. Let's move up. Then they took it all the way down until they filled that particular gap, okay? That was the gap fill right there. That took us to 408, this first level, okay? This was 408. Okay, this is the level I caught out on pre-market, but yesterday's teaching, I taught and told you to watch out for the 407 level, okay? And you can see we're at 407.38 in after hours, but look at where we closed at on the day, okay? And this is what I'm trying to get you guys to understand about finding a trusted voice first and foremost, but also trusting the process, okay? After we came down here and tested 408, let me move that out the way because we in our bag today, okay? We came and tested 408. We bounced off that level of support. That's what that was. S is for support. And then we made our way all the way back up here to 411, okay? But look at what we formed. We formed a double top. And what did I tell you happen when a double top comes? Typically, it leads to a move down. But this particular time, we went from 411, let's write this out, all the way down, straight down. Look at this big boom boom candle to the downside. That big red candle all the way down to our other level, which was 407, which we talked about in yesterday's video that I wanted you guys to look out for. So both levels I talked about, 412 would be the level that was here. That was 412 right there. Okay, we got rejected off of that, and then we came down, and that took us to that 408 level. Okay, that's how we got that. Then we bounced off support. We made a double top at 411. We couldn't go much higher than that. 411, let's just say 44-ish, give or take. And then guys, 2 o'clock came out, the Fed minutes reported, and then boom, we got smacked all the way down here to 407.46 to be exact, just like I called to a T if you look at our low of day. Listen guys, again, it takes a lot to learn to be this surgical on a consistent basis. I don't know anybody in the game that comes on every single day, 5 days a week, that's spot on and that this is on the money, this consistently, okay? Again, guys, it's a skill. It takes time to learn this. It takes time in the seat. It takes time mastering your craft. And that's ultimately why I teach these videos that's full of value every day, to get you guys to a point where you can begin to, first begin to trust it, but then learn to do it for yourself. I often talk about the importance that I'm here to teach you guys how to fish. And how to fish begins first with you mastering the charts, okay? That's where it starts, okay? So with that being said, guys, hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you are, again, taking advantage of these daily teachings. Hopefully they are, again, assisting you on your journey and you're making incremental progress each and every day, all right? With that being said, I want you to look out for tomorrow. If we continue the downward move, that opens the door, now that we have 407, for us to go and test that 402, 401 level. Mark these down to the downside if this continues. However, if we go back to the upside, which is not out of the question, so do not get ahead of yourself, okay? Remember, don't guess, don't gamble, but react. I want you still to be open to 410 and a retest of that 411, 412 level like we had on today. Let's go ahead and bring out Tesla, guys. I wanted to cover this one before we finish the day out because this one is an opportunity as well. Ticker symbol TSLA. It is sitting at 179.95. I called this level out as well, the 180 level to be exact, okay, to be specific. Get in the Discord if you guys are not in the Discord already, to make sure that you are getting the information that can lead to daily success in your life, okay, on your journey, all right? But this one is sitting at 179.95. Check this out. It closed right here at 180. I talked about this level would be one to watch out for to the downside, okay? And check this out. Because we closed down here and then in after hours we have breached this level, doesn't mean you want to rule out a bounce, okay? But a bounce, you get bullish above 190. I've been telling you guys that for the past several days now. We can really do some damage above 190. But if we at 190 or below, you need to be looking for moves to the downside, which means for you, And I'll leave you guys with this note, okay? If we don't recapture 184, 187 on tomorrow, okay, look for 173 for me with Tesla, okay? That will be a move you guys can make a killing off of, make a ton of money. I'm just here to help you and teach you guys how to fish. I'm trying to tell you where the stocks will go. That's if you see more downward pressure on the stock tomorrow, okay? Be looking for 173. That's my number that I'll be looking for, okay? If it go lower, then that's just me just, again, giving you guys the roundabout range. But 173 to the downside if we do not recapture this 184 level and try to get back farthest away from possible around 187, okay? Look for those levels on tomorrow for me, guys. Remember, as I often say, play it level to level. When you see profit, take profit. Don't get greedy, but most importantly, don't overstay your welcome. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.